Hey guys, I'm back and we're going to take these Dollar Tree hearts and put scrapbook paper on them, and you can embellish them again if you want to embellish more. I'm probably not going to, but you know what I forgot to do? I can't believe it. I forgot to paint the inside of the wood white, so I'm going to do that off camera so it isn't the wood color. But I want to show you how I trace these. So what I did is I turned them over and trace the wood piece with my pencil, okay, all the way around, which I've already done with this, and then you just come in and cut it, and your glue stick will work perfectly for these. And again, I'm going with the black and white theme because this is going in my den, and this is more of the Mackenzie Child inspired. And then in my living room, I'll go the traditional. So I have this, 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 and the last one I'm going to use of paper is, oh, let's see, nope, well maybe, actually I have just enough of the love. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to do this one this way. Not even going to turn it over because I got to meet it perfectly. So I'm just going to crease it. Oh, I could take the pencil and just... I can always... I'm just going very lightly. Okay, I like that red rose. That really stands out. I had to get the about the shape of it, and now I'm just helping the sister out. Yeah, that worked perfect, you guys. I didn't think that was going to fit. So are you doing some Valentine DIYs to decorate your home? Leave me a comment in the box below and let me know. Okay, you know what, let me real quick take this off because I'm not going to use the jute. I'm going to use probably some ribbon. But I need to take this and just... I can't believe I forgot to do that. I'm just going to have to be very careful with the other ones. I mean, it's not a huge deal, right? But I just don't want the raw wood . Alright, so I'm going to paint these in the slats, and then I'll paint also what I forgot here, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm pretty much done painting just these little things in between. And what I wanted to show you with the black and white, I just went and did a few strokes like the Mackenzie Child has on her black and white. So I just, with a kind of a dry brush, just hit it really light. I'll do the same with this one. Because if you notice in her checks, she has this, just this little bit of, so that's what I did with that. So now let's just glue on our pieces that we've cut. I really like the way that rose pops out, so I do want to incorporate that into another one of my hearts. And this, like I said, I'm just using a glue stick. And the reason I like the glue sticks, a lot of times when you're dealing with these, if you use a glue gun, you're going to get it raised, you know, the ridge of it when you put it on, and I want it to be flush. Like this one. I think that is so pretty. Now let's go ahead and just do what we did with the other checks. To me, that makes it this paper look more like a Mackenzie child. So that's the look I'm going for. Okay. So there's that. And I should have hit, oh, you know what? I'm just going to come in, I think, with a ribbon here and hang it. Because you see these two holes? I really don't want to put holes in this paper. If the ribbon doesn't work out, then I will, but I think the ribbon will work out fine. So here's this one. Here's this here. And our third one. And you'll see where I put these, like I always show you. And I'll keep looking to see if I want to put another rose. I might not. I might want this just to be the statement of these three now that I'm looking at it. I don't know, guys. We'll see. But anyway, like I said, you'll see these when I show you downstairs. Okay, I'm back, and I decided I wanted to put some diamond dust on these. And I am going to go ahead and go through these holes and put some ribbon to hang these. I didn't know if I was going to or not, but I don't want to come through here because I think that the ribbon, I don't know that it would hang right. That's the thing. I'm still in a quandary about that. Anyway, you'll see it when I have them on my mantle. Right now, all I'm concerned with is getting the diamond dust on these, and so I thought I would do one or two of them with you. I just really like the way these turned out. Okay. And Mod Podge dries pretty quick as far as trying to put glitter or the diamond dust on it, so you have to work kind of quick. And this diamond dust is in my Amazon, if you go to my Amazon store. I'm sure stores sell it, I just haven't seen it or really haven't looked for it. I just went ahead and got it online. You see that? The shine? I like that. Okay, I'm going to do the rest, decide what I'm going to do with the hanging of it, whether it's going to be in the middle or poking the holes, and I will be back to let you see where they go. Okay, so what I did is I just took the pointy end of my skewer and I just went in to where the holes were already and just poked it lightly through. And I decided I'm going to take some of this cotton twine from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and just thread this twine into it and then let that be what holds it. Okay, so I'm just going to go through this, thread this into all three hearts, and I'll be back. Hey guys, before I get started, I just wanted to give a shout out to Judy Mullins, and she's in a group that I'm in at Czech Savvy Sisterhood. And I lost my footage at the beginning of this, how I put it together, but I wanted to make sure to give a shout out to Judy for giving permission for people to use this in the group of this gnome that she designed herself, which I think is absolutely adorable. Thanks again, Judy, for letting us use these. Okay, guys, I went ahead and I put him on, tacked him a little bit on here. I'll tack it a little bit better there. Anyway, I want to put a little bit of Mod Podge because I'm going to glitter up, I think, these hearts on his hat, and then maybe the bow on here. And I'm not backing this with any wood. I'm not backing it with any even little slats. I thought about it and I decided not to. I'm just going to leave it the way it is and just put it on an easel, and you'll see that. I'll show you. It'll be easy for me to store. I just like the little pop of something shiny. I think I'll do this part of the cup. Just little embellishments like this really make something pop. Do the bow. Now if you wanted, you could have put this on and just cut the slats, you know, from paint sticks, and just cut the paper and put it on there. That would have been real cute. I just didn't want to do that. And again, this picture just came out of the printer. Okay. I always do this so I don't lose. Okay, but just that little bit, look how cute. And look how that shines. And that is just enough for me. Okay. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.